Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Miss Fishman coming at you fast. Make sure to like, subscribe. Our sponsor today is HelloFresh. I'm just joking, of course. No sponsors yet, but make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Miss Fishman is trying to become YouTube famous, so just joking. But let's get started. I've missed you guys a lot. I'm still missing you guys as of this recording. We're going to be spending this first week back, like actually back, reviewing, graphing, and learning something called systems of equations. It's really exciting. Let's get started though. I'm going to hop into it. That's what YouTubers say, right? Let's jump into it. So we'll start with our y-intercept. Remember this lovely graph that we have here? I'm going to start by looking at our y-intercept. Remember, we always use our y-intercept to anchor. So in this case, our y-intercept is -2. So I'm going to go to my graph and I'm going to put a lovely -2 dot. Then we're going to look at our slope. Can someone remind me what slope is? I don't know why I did that. Like, you guys can respond. That's just a force of habit. I'll tell you right now. It is rise over. I'm just going to do this in black. This is fun. I like having all these colors. Over run. Sorry if it sounds like I'm taking off right now. I'm sure Connor can attest to that. It's just my computer. So our rise is our 3. So I'm going to put a little, I wonder how I can, oh my god, I can just trace over it. This is exciting. Then remember the secret number, the invisible number, is a 1. So we're going to go up from our anchor, our -2. Our change in y is up 1, 2, 3. Our change in y is 1. So we're going to go to the right 1. Put a beautiful dot there. Ka-chow. I wonder if I can do this. Don't judge me. We're just going to go for it. Yeah, okay. Beautiful. Not bad. All right, let's try this one more time. Here's our B, our starting point, our initial, our y-intercept. We're going to drop a little dot here. Notice our rise, our y is already given to us as 1, and our x is also given to us as 2. We also have this lovely negative sign here. I'm going crazy with the colors, so don't judge me. We have this lovely negative sign here. So remember, this is our positive. I'm going to post slope dude again so you can watch it. Remember, we're going up that hill. It's a lot of energy. This one is negative, so we're going to be sliding down that hill. It's going to be so easy. So we're going to go down 1. Then we're going to go to the right 2. 1, hop to the right 2, put this here. If you would rather go up and to the left, that's fine, but remember, up, let's see if I can do this, and to the right, over, down, and to the left. That whole thing is going to be positive, okay? And then up and to the left, plus left, is going to be negative. Same with down and to the right. This is review. You shouldn't be freaking out about this. If you are, stop freaking out. So, like that. Negative. Beautiful. So if you'd like to go up and to the left, you can, but we're going down to the right because I'm a rebel. Let's see if I can draw this. Okay. Like that. Okay, this online thing isn't too bad. Looks good. Looks better than if I had drawn it in person. So this should just be a review. Let's add some arrows so it looks extra cute. It's so adorable. Love it, love it, love it. This should just be a review of graphing. You should be pretty confident with this right now. I'm going to post an assignment that's reviewing this as well as starting our new thing, which is systems. Stay safe, guys. Let me know if you need anything. Love you all. Peace.